I would go wide open with your rates first, wouldn't you? Go wide open first with the rates?
I would.
Yeah, and then if you need to Tony, you can hit the switch, you know?
You got 40% or something.
Let her go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful.
No problem.
Wow. All right.
Much coolness.
That son of a bitch flies better than Scott.
Yeah.
Well, what'd you learn? I put a magnet on the bottom.
Yeah.
That's not the canopy. That's
your battery cover.
That's his inlet cover.
Oh, yeah, that's the... Oh, yeah.
She's got full throttle.
Wow. Wow, that thing is nice. What's the radar gun? Let's get the flight. It's out there trying to get it.
First flight, too. That's amazing.
Yeah. Get a wide open flight so we can gun you.
Here we go. Down a little bit.
Yeah.
55. Now let's get a twist.
Yeah.
For full.
Yeah. Saw the tree. Those things move, man. It's not bad.
Making some new noises.
Man, see how quick that lifted, Scott?
Yeah, it went right up. Did you see the cool cloud up?
Didn't suck any rocks in, though.
No, you don't have the inlet on the bottom.
It doesn't have a rudder. It feels weird.
Is it needing it in that turn?
Put it way beyond those trees and come in right at you. Should I come towards myself, or what's that?
Yeah, you want to come into the wind.
Yeah,
Just
put
go
it
down.
in.
Yeah, you're too high.
My price.
Go way out, man. Go way out, and then get yourself down low coming in. Throttle management.
I think you said good.
Yeah. Get yourself way out. Now slow down and get yourself down.
Good. Oh, you got
Keep
to
it down.
run out.
Keep it down.
Perfect.
Good. Slow down now.
Just clear the clovers.
Yeah.
There you go. Good shot. Good shot.
It's probably bitter because Jack was speaking about with the dolphin. Does that fly better with the better battery? I think you're penetrating the wind better with more weight. I think that other battery sits on your child. More lubrication for penetration? Yes. It was an erotic battery.
Exotic battery?
She's got I'm not using my vibrator. Lock the heat seeker out.
It's probably shot.
You guys haven't seen my 4-cell vibrator yet.
You're going to take the man right out of the equation. You're going to force up. We're going to force on up.
If your girlfriend wears the strap on, does that make you gay? Or is that just like one foot in the closet?
Well, if she wears it, as long as she's not using it on you, then no.
Oh, okay.
But if she's using it on you, you got a problem, something wrong with it.
I never asked that question.
There he comes again.
Woo! I'm glad I didn't go. It looks close, but it's not that close. Now you're 50 feet away. Whoa. Just visually, it's a lot more